Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to pass the NCLEX-PN. First, familiarize yourself with the NCLEX-PN test plan, which outlines the exam's content and format. This foundational step is crucial for targeted studying. Next, establish a consistent study routine, aiming for at least 2 hours of focused study each day. Finally, invest in high-quality review materials and practice questions from trusted providers to ensure you're learning accurate and relevant information. To study effectively, don't just memorize facts. Truly understand the rationales behind both correct and incorrect answers on practice questions. This deep understanding is key to critical thinking. Dedicate significant time to reviewing core areas like pharmacology, dosage calculations, and fundamental nursing care, as these are heavily tested. Consider forming a study group to discuss challenging concepts and reinforce your learning through peer interaction. Mastering test-taking is vital. Practice answering NCLEX-style questions consistently under timed conditions to build your endurance and pacing. Learn to identify crucial keywords in questions and prioritize patient needs using the nursing process, which guides your decision-making. Additionally, develop specific strategies for tackling therapeutic communication and delegation questions, as these often require nuanced understanding of nursing roles and responsibilities. For your final preparation, simulate the actual exam environment as closely as possible to reduce anxiety on test day. This includes practicing with a computer and adhering to strict time limits. Ensure you get adequate rest and maintain good nutrition in the days leading up to the exam. A well-rested mind performs best. Remember to check the description for a link to some great deals, including those fantastic darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty. Good luck. You've got this.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.